If you're seeing the top stories card on the Microsoft Edge homepage and you want to turn it off, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a simple fix if you want a cleaner start page and a less distracting browsing experience every time you open Edge. And before we jump in, if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage. On the page, look for the Settings or Page Settings icon, which looks like a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the homepage customization options. Once the settings panel appears, look for the content settings section. Under that area, you should see an option called Manage. Click on Manage to open the controls for the content shown on your Edge homepage. Now you'll see a list of feed and content options. Find the setting that says Show Top Stories card. This is the option that controls whether those news cards appear on your homepage. Simply toggle Show Top Stories card off. As soon as you switch it off, the top stories section should disappear, giving you a cleaner and more minimal Edge start page. If it doesn't update right away, just refresh the page or open a new tab, and the change should take effect. That's all it takes. In just a few seconds, you can turn off the top stories card in Edge and customize the browser exactly the way you want it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.